Sit. You think you can take my property? You're crazy.
Excuse me one moment.
Not without a warrant. You can't take my property.
Hold on. Do not ever.
I wasn't speaking to you, sir. I was speaking to the woman that told you to take my phone.
Well, nobody's crazy in here, okay?
The person who says take my property is crazy. Mister. I'm not asking to take your stuff. That's it.
I can see it there too. Let me,
Thank you. Okay, sorry.
There's a lens cover on it.
I apologize that I was not here when you came last week, but I've been sick for 2 weeks.
I understand. That's completely fine. I made an appointment.
And I have been tied up all morning. I don't know what I did with
And
the letter that you left.
I turned my camera off under threat of arrest. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Under your threat. Just to be clear, I turned it off because you asked me to. You forced me to.
It's because there is a law.
I understand.
Yes.
I understand. I'm going to contest that. And when I do, we'll go through that. But I'm not here for that today. Hey, I got a question though. If I can't record, why are you? That right there is creating a public record, and that means I can record.
I'm sorry, recording where?
That camera right there.
That's not mine.
It's a public, creating a public.
That is a
I'm sorry.
Sheriff's Department.
It's creating a public
Security.
record, right? It's a public record, right?
It's.
I'm just trying to clarify. That camera creates a public record.
I cannot tell you what law says they can and cannot put security cameras in here.
Okay.
I just know that the law says that I don't have to be filmed if I don't want to be.
Okay.
Or recorded.
All right.
And you cannot take pictures or record images.
You can't be recorded if you don't want to, and you're the clerk of court? You're a
No.
public official, right?
I am, but if I choose not to be recorded, I don't have to be.
Okay. Gotcha. No problem. But see, I can record them in their official duty.
Can I record you?
Yeah, for sure. Anytime. I hope. Where's your body camera?
You can record us.
But if I...
Where's your body camera? Where's your body camera? You should be recording me anyway. It makes for good practice. It's an objective witness.
Let me tell you something.
It's an objective witness. No one can say anything.
You're not the Ouachita parish sheriff.
It does. I'm a citizen.
It doesn't matter.
We have rights.
He has a policy.
The policy is not law. Your rights are protected by the Constitution. What's wrong with you? Didn't you take an oath? Did you swear an oath to put that badge on?
You got problems. Something wrong. You wake up on a Monday morning and come up here in January, Roy Brown. You got the wrong one, mister.
Hey,
yes,
if you've got the wrong one, why don't you go on YouTube and see the other deputies from Friday?
We are live right now. I'm not going on YouTube. I don't need to go on YouTube.
Okay.
I work for
Okay.
Ouachita Parish Sheriff.
We're good. You're dismissed.
My boss said
You're dismissed.
Nah, I ain't this.
I don't need anything from you.
Yeah,
I didn't call you. I did not call you. I do
Chris.
not need your services. Does this lady need your services?
You need to. I don't know what your problem.
That's where we're at.
You got a problem.
If you don't know where, if you don't flex your rights, you don't have them.
problem, mister.
Because I believe
You
in the
got a
Constitution, I have a
You
problem.
don't tell
What's
me.
your name
I
and
have
badge
to-
number?
My name is Roy Brown, 2384. You
And your
don't have
name
to
badge,
tell-
your name and
tell
badge
me
number,
I-
sir, since you're smirking? What's your name and badge number?
Something wrong
Deputy
with you.
Ellington, 1076.
Got
Go
you,
ahead.
thank you.
I'll
And
call my
now,
captain
did
down
you want to
now.
continue?
Matter of fact, call Captain.
Did you want to continue?
Can you please tell me what you're here for?
It's about a protective order form.
Okay,
I was denied access to it in the office the other day. I'm able to go into any parish in the state, walk into the clerk's office unrestricted and get that protective order. I was sent,
here in Ouachita Parish.
I understand,
we have
can I
a-
finish what I was saying?
Sure,
Can I finish what I was saying?
absolutely.
I was sent to the DA's office where they told those people told them not to help me. The people in the DA's office, the supervisor, told them not to help me. I recorded it all. I have it all. This lady refused to give me the form. I go over there, they refused, let me finish. They refused to help me. Then I come back to talk to you because the form is a public form and should be available to anybody, and they shouldn't have, when it's a protective order, there's obviously circumstances behind it they may not want to talk to you, her, or the DA's office about, and they should be able to get those documents, those public documents, to file unrestricted, and that's why I'm here.
Okay. They are public record.
No, not record, it's a form.
Form, it is, it's public. and
So
it's
why
on
was
the-
denied access to it? That's my only question.
Okay. In Ouachita Parish, we have a victims assistance program,
Mm-hmm.
which is next door. When they are not able to help you, you can go on the Louisiana Protective Order Registry website.
I
and
can't.
Anybody can.
I can't. I can't. That's why I'm here. I can't type. I can't write because of my disease. That's why my hands shake.
Okay.
That's why I'm here to fill out the forms.
Okay.
That's why I came here. And I was refused service because of my disability.
Okay, I did not
And I
know
shouldn't
that.
have to justify it. I
No,
shouldn't have to say
shouldn't.
my disability.
I agree. I agree.
Okay.
And I do apologize for you not being able to retrieve the form from here. But we are so accustomed to the DA's office assisting.
But you see what I'm
that-
saying.
I do.
You see what I'm
These-
saying.
I do. But these ladies over here, because they don't deal with it,
Then they shouldn't speak on it.
there are so many different forms, they wouldn't know which one you needed.
Then
Okay?
that,
So, but with that
Go
being
ahead and
said,
finish.
that is a lack of training on my part to them. I admit that.
is there an ADA coordinator in the building, and I'd like to speak to them?
The ADA's office is next door.
No, American Disabilities Act, not the assistant district attorney. There
Oh,
should
I'm
be,
sorry, who?
there should be an ADA supervisor in this building, and I'd like to speak to him. And if you don't know who the ADA supervisor is, that's fine, I understand, but I'll cross that bridge next.
I do not.
Okay.
I do not know that there is
It's required by
anything
law.
of the source in this building.
Okay?
Okay,
That's
I
cool.
did not, if that is a law, I didn't know that.
Yep,
I admit that.
yep, it is. And if you have more than 15 employees, you have to have 2.
Okay,
Yeah,
just,
so that's the law, that's federal law.
okay.
That's not my law. I didn't make it up, and I promise you, Ms. Benson, there are 2 things about me. I have no filter, and I don't lie.
I understand.
I have no filter, and I don't lie. And people have been the people that have been taking care of my father have taken advantage of him and stole $770,000. So when I'm trying to get this paperwork and I'm denied, it just makes everything more difficult. Over here, I had went and spoke to Mr. Chu about the investigators in his office that denied me access, and then went in the office and told the people not to help me. I'm not here for clicks.
Have you
That's not
gotten
where
the
I'm here.
paperwork you need?
Y'all have made some clicks, but I'm not here for that. I'm here for my father. That's it.
I understand. Have you gotten the paperwork you need?
Yeah, I have. But it took 4 trips, 108-degree weather, with a service animal that had to walk across the pavement. It's not okay. That's why I'm here.
Well, I apologize for that, and
I shouldn't have to ask anyone to go online for me. I should be able to come here, get the forms, go to someone, get the help, and fill them out.
I agree. And
I was denied that. And that's the only reason I'm here. I'm not here to start an argument about video or anything else. I'm here to meet with you for that one reason.
Okay. And I have told you
You started off with the video. I didn't. You started the minute I walked in, within 10 seconds of me hitting the door, you started with the video when we were here to meet about something completely different.
Yes, sir, but you did not even ask me, could you record?
It's a public building.
But I don't have to give you authority to record me.
You don't. You don't have. That's exactly right. You do not have to give me authority.
If I do not want to be recorded, I can ask you to turn it off.
Are you a public official?
I am.
The Supreme Court's ruled, you, and you, has ruled that I can record you in the official capacity of your duty. Are you saying that they haven't? These guys know it.
You can't record anywhere in the courtrooms.
I'm not in a courtroom, and I would never record in a courtroom. I understand. That's it. It's a public building, and there are certain places that are restricted. You can't record in restricted areas that are labeled restricted. You have to give someone due notice. Due notice.
The judge just doesn't let you do it.
And that's fine. He can't. I can't record in his room. He has complete and total control over his courtroom. I am not in his courtroom. I never even stepped on the floor with the courtroom. So that's where I'm at.
Oh, are you through?
Are you through?
As soon as you leave, I'll be through.
All right. We can hang out all day. I don't care.
Okay. So you have gotten your paperwork? Have you been able to get it filled out and bring it to file it?
No, I will be back either tomorrow or the lawyer will file it tomorrow.
Okay.
All right?
And
I'm just letting you know, being denied access with a disability is the most disrespectful way to treat someone. It's kicking them out in a wheelchair. She's not a wheelchair, but she's the same thing.
I agree with you. I do agree with you. And I will, as soon as we're done, I will.
Any form should be available, not just that one. Anyone should be able to. And I know I'm beating a dead horse. I understand. But this is so basic.
I understand. And I agree with you. And like I said, as soon as we're done, I will go over there into the civil department and show them exactly how to pull it up and which forms they generally will need.
Yeah, and it's a family form. I understand there are different forms that are involved.
Right. And, you know, with this form, you got to have this page and this page. But if it's this form, you only need this one. You know.
It reads like IKEA instructions. I understand.
Yeah. So I will go over and explain that to them, and I can only apologize to you numerous times for this happening. Okay?
Thank you so much.
That's all I can do is apologize and try to train them to where this doesn't happen to anyone else.
Okay, and we will approach the recording on another day when I'm calmer.
Understand?
Thank you.
All right, y'all have a great day. Be safe.
You too.
And your dog is beautiful.
She is. That's the only thing she gets from me is her looks. She's better.
So we didn't get your name and badge number later?
Lieutenant Roger.
Okay. And your badge number?
2336.
2336.
Yes,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
I didn't get your name and badge number.
Okay.
I got his.
Okay. Well, I'm just showing up. But
I know. We're making contacts.
You okay, sir?
Yeah, I'm great now.
Okay.
I mean, if you want to talk about
resolved?
my disease, we can go in a room and talk about it, but no.
Well, you're shaking and everything.
Yeah,
I just
like I said, did you hear what I just said? I said, if you want to go in a room and talk about my disease that causes it, we can. But other than that, I don't have anything to say. Could I get your name and badge number, though?
As long as you're okay. That's
Could
what
I get
was
your name
checking.
and badge
Chris
number?
Thurman,
Badge number?
2233.
Have a nice day. If y'all want to walk me next door, we're going next door next.
Nope.
That guy, right there. Yeah. You too famous.
We're just gonna go back.
Excuse me, Dave. I'm sorry.